All you need in order to generate passive income with the best method discovered so far. Hey, I'm Malin, I'm your online mentor, here to help you create the business and life you deserve. So make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so that you don't miss out on everything online business. This channel is dedicated to you. So I want to get this video out to you as soon as possible because I know at the end of a year and at the beginning of a year, we're all out on the internet, right? On YouTube, searching for new ways to change our lives for the better and to fulfill the promises that we made to ourselves on New Year's Eve, right? And in order to set up passive income streams online, you need to go for proven business models and funnels. When set up correctly, they can generate money into your bank account 24/7, 365 days a year for years to come. Automatic and passive, once you've done the work, it will flow by itself. However, that's not the hardest part. I'll tell you about the hardest part in just a little bit. But first, the best proven modern way for a beginner to get started online is to go into, drumroll, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is the ultimate lifestyle business model where you can have endless freedom. Freedom of geography, of time. You can wake up anytime you want in the day, wherever you want in the world. As long as you have access to the internet and a laptop, you're in business. You could be making business from a coffee shop, from a beach house, from the top of a ski slope. The perfect thing about affiliate marketing is that you can work with products and services that you feel truly aligned with. And if you lose interest in any of them, just scrap that affiliate link and go for another one. You can be very creative in how you serve your customers with what content, products and services you offer them. This gives you a kind of business freedom. You can choose products and services as you like, market to the people that you like. You're not stuck. And with affiliate marketing, there is no fulfillment on your end, so you don't have to stock up products. You don't have to worry about logistics, payments, customer care, etc. So all you do is that you join affiliate programs and get a unique marketing link for yourself to market to your audience. So all you need to do really is market to the right people at the right time. And there's no glass ceiling to the amount of income you can make. You can write your own paycheck. So with affiliate marketing, there are one-time commissions, like for example, when you sell something on Amazon, if you're an Amazon affiliate. There are also recurring commissions, like for software and programs and training programs, etc. And then there are high-ticket commissions. When you sell something with a high-ticket commission, you can make something like $100 or $1,000 or several $1,000s per sale. So what is the hardest part anyway? It is placing your marketing message in front of the right person at the right time, for them to feel the need of your products and services to cater as a solution to their problems, so that they will feel the urge to click, buy, and become your customer. Hopefully lifelong customer, and you get a commission. So that is the hardest part. And in order to learn digital marketing, in order to place that perfect message in front of the perfect client at the perfect time, we have partnered with LaunchU to provide you free workshops. They're at the link in the description. So go ahead and click so that you can learn to market online right now and get the best possible start to the new year. You'll learn the do's and don'ts of affiliate marketing at your leisure. See you there.